Hey there, I'm Gabby. Well, actually, that's Gabby, but I like to put the S at the end. I'm just that type of person. So I just wanted to say hey and thanks for checking out my channel. And if the recording is very crappy and bad, it's because I'm recording it on a computer. But sooner or later, I'm gonna get my camera, which is way better quality, and I'm going to post videos up on them. So I don't have to carry a laptop everywhere I go and talk to it. So just to come here. So that way, yeah. And I'm gonna post a video with pictures of my friends. It's gonna be a little slideshow. Show how much I care for them and how they're special to me with their boyfriend, with their best friends. Yeah, I'm not gonna get very many views, but I don't mind at all. I just am here for the heck of the fun because on the outside of these walls I don't have very much of a light besides talking with a phone. Because I have a really tiny phone. My stepdad actually hung up the phone. He was talking to my aunt he had it right here, and he pressed this button right here, the exit button, with his ear, and he hung up the call. It's really funny, actually. Okay, sorry about that. I just sounded like a boy. That isn't new at all. I always sound like a boy. It's just really annoying to me. Well, I'm going to be, in these videos, sorry, I just switched subjects anyway. In these videos I'm going to be doing, I'm going to talk to you about different songs I like, the people I like the most, and I don't know, just my life and things that are happening. I guess so. And my daily life and stuff like that. That's pretty much it. And I might talk some Japanese and give you some makeup tips. I don't wear makeup right now, and I'm not wearing it now, but I can wear it at home. I'll need it. But yeah. Excuse me for my jacked up nails. I was picking them. Yeah. They're really jacked up. I need to paint them orange now. So anyway. Thanks for checking my channel, and I'll hopefully put up new videos later. Wow. Thank you, and